Hi, here's a short video to show you how to fix your microphone if it doesn't work in Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2. First, right-click on Start and select Device Manager. Here, expand Sound, Video and Game Controllers. Find your microphone here, right-click on it and select Update Driver. Select Search automatically for drivers, and if it offers you any new drivers, install it, and after that restart your PC. Try your microphone now. Next, click on Start and select Settings. Here, select System, and on the left side, click on Sound. Under Input, click here and select your microphone. Then, on the right side, click on Sound Control Panel. On this window, select Recording tab, and here, click on your microphone and then select Properties. Select Levels tab, and be sure that your microphone is not muted and slide volume is above 80. Now go to Advanced tab and then uncheck this option, Allow application to take exclusive control of this device. Click on Apply and OK, launch Modern Warfare 2 and try your microphone now. If it still doesn't work, click on Start and select Settings. Here, select Privacy, and on the left side, select Microphone. Be sure that this switch under Allow apps to access your microphone is turned on. Scroll down and also turn on this switch under Allow desktop apps to access your microphone. Launch the game and check your microphone now. If it's still not working, then you will need to go in Device Manager again. So right-click on Start and select Device Manager. Expand Sound, Video and Game Controllers. Right-click on your microphone and select Uninstall Device. After you are done, restart your PC, and after your PC boot up, it should automatically install your microphone again. And then you will go and try it in the game. If your PC didn't recognize your microphone on boot, try to disconnect your microphone from PC and connect it again. If it still won't recognize it, you will click on this icon here to scan for hardware changes. This will scan your PC for any devices that is connected to your computer. And on this way, it should recognize it and install its driver. As last method, launch Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2 and go into Settings. Go to Audio Settings and in Voice Chat next to Microphone Device, select your microphone if default system device is selected. This could also fix your problem. If you can control your microphone volume on the microphone itself, be sure that it's not turned all the way down. If you have mute button on your microphone, check that also. And that will be all. I hope that your microphone is now working in Modern Warfare 2. If I helped you, please give this video a like. If you want to buy me a cup of coffee, you can hit thanks button. Subscribe to my channel with the bell on so you don't miss my next video. Until then, stay safe and I see you all.